You know that feeling when you have been at it for months, but that person at the gym near you is still on another level. You signed up for membership that same week. You look at your midsection in frustration. What am I doing wrong? Why do I feel like I'm not improving anymore? I was the person who would wake up before the sun would start to rise, lacing up my running shoes while the world was still asleep.
I was the one who would say no to the slice of birthday cake, choosing a salad over a burger at the family barbecue.
I was the one who would refuse to eat sweets, not even allowing myself a cheat day, because one step backward always leads to more. I was disciplined, dedicated, and determined. But despite all my efforts, my reflection in the mirror didn't change.
My body, stubbornly resistant, seemed to be stuck in a mold I desperately wanted to break free from. Then I stumbled upon a secret, a unique blend of natural ingredients that seemed too good to be true. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try. After all, what did I have to lose?
The change was subtle at first. A little more energy here, a little less craving there. But then, I started noticing bigger changes. My workouts became more effective, my body started responding. It was as if I had unlocked a secret level in a video game, a shortcut to the finish line. Now I look in the mirror and see the transformation I've been striving for.
It wasn't just about the physical change, but the mental one. I realized that sometimes it's not about working harder, but about finding the right tools to help you on your journey. And that's why I'm sharing this with you, because I believe that everyone deserves to find their secret, their shortcut to success.